Hey everybody, Brian here. I'm just doing a little work from home today. Just wanted to show you some more wood floor cleaning, as I promised some of you. So this is my kitchen floor here. There's my beagle getting into who knows what, as always. Anyway, I'm gonna clean my floors here. This is where normally where my dining room table goes, right here. And I waited well over a week. Didn't sweep my floors, didn't do any cleaning, mopping, on purpose. So the floor would be kind of gross. So you can see all that. He's a ham, he loves being on the camera. Come on, Charlie. Anywho, you can see all the mess. Normally it does not look like this, but I figured it would be a great opportunity to really show my process. Gonna start the agitation process here. Just finished vacuuming, so ready to get this other process going. So we'll spray down the cleaner. It's gonna strip off some of the old finish that's in here, and you know, while it's cleaning, stay tuned. Do a little pre-spraying. There. Who knows what that is? My kids love to spill stuff. So I'm just gonna spray this whole thing, including over here by the fridge and all that. So yeah, all my stuff is over here. It's all just crammed in the living room. So, anywho, we'll do this. I'll show you the scrubber in a minute. Right, let's see what we got out of there. And this was just the first pass. Oh man. And there's still a ton more in there. And imagine, you know, we're just cleaning, normally just cleaning floors with a mop and bucket. You know, this would still be what's left behind, believe it or not, unless you're going over it about 50 million times. But even then, you're not going to get what this machine gets But, whew, that's a lot of stuff. All right, let's run the Lindhaus. More. And that was from my second pass there with the Lindhaus. Still getting hair and the dog, all sorts of random things. Whew. I'll have to clean that out later. Now we're ready to go over it with some pads, dry it out, get the edges and whatnot. All right, edge cleaning time. Get an angle here. Let's use my right arm. Yeah. Go around, get all of these. Here. Okay, this time I'm going to try something different. I got a spray bottle here with my Laminator Plus Restore. And we're just going to put a little bit down right up here. Put the bottle down here. Whoops. And we'll give it a go. Spread some of this around. But basically I'm going to go and do this whole thing, edges and all around, all through here, through there, and up by the stove and out the door. I'll show you the finished product in the morning.